It is Christmas in June. I ordered this in March. It's been on back order all this time. This is heavy from Laguna. It is a 20-inch lathe extension. The 3 screws that hold it on. Okay. Get that stuff out of the way. If this 20-inch extension was available when I ordered my lathe a little over 2 years ago, I was not aware of it. I got the 10-inch extension, which allows lengthening the bed or working off the left side of the lathe. The problem with the 10-inch extension is it's not long enough to support a tailstock off the left end of the lathe. Also, it's inconvenient to have to move the extension from one end of the lathe to the other. And that is oily. Naturally. Mineral spirits. Probably clean that up pretty well. I've always wanted a second set of these 3 screws, so when I did move the other bed extension around, all I had to do was loosen screws one turn. I didn't have to take them out and put them back in. These just fit right over there. There we are. Bit of a pain in the butt tightening these things under here. Well, I can get at the bottom one more easily, so I'll do that one first. Just enough to take the slack out of everything. The nice thing about this is, unless for some reason I decide I have to remove that, I don't have to do this again. Now, there's room for the banjo. For the tailstock. This was not possible with a 10-inch extension. I can put a 9-inch bowl, a 16-inch diameter, 9-inch deep bowl. This is going to be good because I have this little gem and these. to turn. Now I can do it. That looks nice. I am happy.